Welcome to my workshop. Today we are going to be making this beautiful stained glass mermaid bookmark from Harry Potter. So step one, we are going to be doing our design and outline. First, we're creating the classic stained glass look by outlining our mermaid design. I'm freehanding it with just some resin, but feel free to trace or stamp if that's easier. We're going for a little eerie, a little elegant, just like the mermaid from the Black Lake. I'm going in with some resin and I'm coating the back of the bookmark. Once I'm done coating that, I am going to sand it down so that there's no rough edges on the side and I get rid of all the sharpness. Used my black gel nail polish and I just outlined all the black areas. Once I cured it, it's time to add color. Using transparent or shimmery gel polishes, I'm filling in each section of the mermaid like painting a magical mosaic. I'm using just some disposable little paintbrushes, so I don't have to clean it up afterwards. I could just throw it away. While I was doing a lot of the color work, I just listened to an audiobook with my husband. It was very nice and just kind of chilling vibe while I was painting in. And it was therapeutic. I loved it. Once you're happy with your stained glass colors, cure it completely, then seal it with a layer of resin. This gives it that gorgeous glassy finish. To get that little hole at the top of our stained glass bookmark, I ended up just using a Dremel and I was able to do it really fast. It worked really well, and then after it was done, the hole, I put a little resin around the edges so that it wasn't sharp and it didn't fray the ribbon. Now for the finishing touch, thread some ribbon through the top and tie on some beads. I'm using sea-toned beads for that extra mermaid magic. Just to make it so that the beads will stay in place, I added a little bit more resin on the tips where I tied the knot so that it is more stable and won't come apart. Once your threads are on, this beauty is done and she's looking gorgeous. I love how she turned out. If you love magical crafts like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite Harry Potter craft.